Hello and welcome to FIXtastic Contents. In this video, I will show you how to reset your service spanner for your Peugeot 208 from 2012 to 2019. Okay, here goes.
Right, let's get started. Here's the service spanner. So we want this removed. So what you need to do is turn the ignition off. And then back on. And then what you need to do is hold your finger down on this button where the service spanner is showing the logo. So this button, hold it down. So once you're holding this button down, you need to turn the key off. Yes, turn the ignition off again. Yes, so the ignition is off, so no lights on the dash. Once that's done, hold this button down. Turn the ignition once. Do not start the engine. And then the countdown from 10 to 0 will begin. So as you can see, it's counting down. Keep holding your finger on this button until you reach 0. It's 0 now. Let go. Turn the ignition off. And then put it back on. As you can see, the service spanner has since been removed. So very simple, guys. That spanner button which says set, that's what you need to hold down and follow my procedure.